Well, I haven't been too good about posting recently, but I got rid of the 454. I traded it for this bad boy. 1988 Chevy S10 extended cab, 4-wheel drive. The only thing wrong with it is the kid put 10 quarts of oil in it and hydrolocked it, and he believes it busted the timing chain. But I'm hoping that's all it is, not like when it got out of time, dropped a valve and, you know, blew it up. But comes with a tow bar. I was towing it with this mower. Interior's okay, needs a little bit cleaning up. I'm kind of concerned about how easy this goes into gear. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I mean, mine is a little bit more stiff, but it's all here that I know of. I think I'm going to take off this bed and put my flatbed on, which means I'll also be getting rid of the headache rack. I'd like to take those axles from that Suburban frame and put them under this, but not worry about a solid axle swap. I just get this 6-cylinder running and then do that. This handle broken, but brand new tires. It's gonna be sweet. That'll be nice.